Hey flowers, so here we have the before and this is the after. If you want to see how I achieve this, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we're starting out with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I believe this is the color 360, which is mocha, and I'm just going to spread that all around the mannequin's face. Now, you don't want to really dap it in. You do want to do a little bit of spreading, which was kind of hard for me to like grasp in my head because I usually just pat in stuff, but this doesn't have any pores, so what are you going to pat it into? You know what I mean? So you got to kind of swipe it on there so that it's even and you don't get any blotchiness. So that's what you see me doing. I'm going all around her face, down her ears. I'm going to go down to her neck. Of course, her whole body is going to be covered with this foundation so that she has a consistency of complexion when she's all done. Yeah, that's pretty much the first step. This is actually extremely therapeutic. I will say that doing this mannequin was not the easiest thing I've ever done. I am not a makeup artist. I literally only do my own makeup. I do other people's makeup when they ask me to, and I always be like, you know I'm not a makeup artist, so if you don't like your makeup, that's not my fault. That is literally the disclaimer I give when my friends be like, do my makeup. No poo. If you don't like your makeup, that's on you, because you know I am not a professional, period. So I had to tell the mannequin, sis, if you look a hot mess, it ain't my fault. I ain't no makeup artist. Mad Aggie. So I'm dragging everything down on the neck like you would do on your human or yourself. And I'm just making sure that everything is nice and even. Excuse my big old head. I had to be able to see. So I am turning the mannequin to see me because I'm trying to make sure you guys see a lot, but I also want to be able to see and make sure I know what I'm doing. So these are my Juvia's Place concealers. I got some hair in that part. So I'm just putting that all under the eye the same way I would do the other eye, any under eye. I try not to put too much product at first because again, this product has to spread. It's not going to absorb. So I didn't want to have too much concealer. I wanted it to look really nice. As you can see, once I'm swiping it out, it looks really pretty, but I did kind of want to brighten up a little bit more. I just felt like it was kind of fading to the background, so I did add a little bit more. If you get anything in her eyes, all you have to do is just like wipe it out, or you could just take a towel, paper towel, wet it, and just wipe her eyes or whatever part you didn't want, like, or her teeth or whatever. So I did have to do that at the end. So I'm adding more product for the concealer now, and I'm just going to go ahead and spread that around just to give her, give her a little bit more a little pizzazz. You know how that thing go. I love under eye. I was gonna go in with a lighter color, but I was like, you know what, sis? Don't do too much. This is fine. Don't do too much, okay? So I left it like that, and now we're going in with the darker color of the Juvia's Place. These are my normal foundations. As you can see, I'm just making her my complexion, or the complexion that I usually am, because I don't got time. I didn't have time to make her a new complexion. I did find this one on Amazon, which I did not say. I will link her down below. She was $65, I believe, $70 after tax. If you hear someone in the background, that's bad. He sleep, and I did not want to get out of bed to do the voiceover. So yeah. Anyway, so after I am like spreading out that concealer, I usually do like the under thing, but she already has like real like chisel face. So I was like, I don't gotta do all that. So I'm going in with my translucent setting powder, and I'm literally not trying to put product. I'm just putting it under the eyes so that it stays in place a little bit. Like you could barely see that I'm putting any setting powder. Like I am literally putting it on, brushing it right off. I do not want her to get the cake face, especially since she can't absorb it. Like that's the biggest thing. So I just kind of was doing this to like set it in motion, set the face or whatever like that. Not to like, and that's why I use translucent. And I did not use a lot at all. Like as you can see, we're done. So I'm just trying to make sure I got all the excess setting powder off because I don't want it to be too set. And now I'm gonna start doing her eyebrows, which was actually very hard because child, they was trying me. They was trying the kid, and there's no hair, so we doing her eyebrows. And y'all know I do not do eyebrows on camera, poo. But these ain't my eyebrows, so it don't take as long. And I'm just covering her. So be careful when you're grabbing a mannequin hat, because you don't want to make sure you don't get any product on your fingers, which is why I didn't do the whole neck first. I wanted to do it after I finished everything. So you want to make sure you take your time. And here are the brows. I'm just making them darker so they kind of like are more pronounced in look. I'm not going to let you see the first eye. Actually, after I finish these brows, I'm going to go ahead and do the first eye, and I'm going to come right back. As you can see, we're back. So I did the first eye. I really wanted her to have dramatic lashes because I love the way these mannequin heads look with dramatic lashes. I did put a little glitter. The lashes do cover it, which I was kind of glad, because let me tell you something. It is hard to do eyeshadow. I put the P. Louise base. And now I'm just going in, and when I tell you Patchiana, I'm telling you, Patchiana, trying to blend this was so hard, you guys. Like, again, I'm such a patter. I have to remember to like swipe, and it was just so hard for my head to be like, swipe, Reese, swipe, don't pat. So the second eye, I did get a little better, so I came back on camera. I was like, all right, now I could come and show y'all what's up, because at first, honey child, yeah, it wasn't real. So, as you can see, I got a little bit of fallout, but it just brushes right off. No biggie, no bad, no foul. Okay. So then I go in and I cut the crease, of course. You know, put the little creasy crease, and we're gonna go in with some glitter. All the list of products that I use will be down in the description box. But this glitter, I know for a fact, is from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. The Morphe palette is the 35S Boss Mood palette. And then this is the glitter that we're going to go ahead and use. It's like a purple greenish glitter. I just wanted to do something purple and cute and nice. You know how it go. Do you know how it go? Maybe you know how it go. All right, so of course, like any other time, we're gonna add some glue. I did add some extra glue because it was trying to act a little trifling. It wasn't trying to pick up my glitter. But once I got that glitter on there, I just go in with the eyeliner. I'm just lining the eyes so she gets that deep dark, you know what I'm saying? I did put a little purple under the eyes. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little bit there to like complete the eye look, so it looks completed in like one eye. Yeah, pretty much. I am already liking the way she looks. I was like, okay, she looking like somebody. She looking like baddie. She looking like baddie. Okay, baddie. Because I don't wear lashes these long. I don't even remember where these lashes are from. Oh my gosh. These might be from All Dolled Up Cosmetics as well. And I was like, oh, I don't really use these long lashes, so I'm going to put them on the mannequin. She could wear these every day. So I'm going in with that Morphe palette. I'm just adding some more contour. And now I'm adding some blush. And this is when I was like, okay, maybe I did okay with this. This was the moment when I was like, okay, maybe I didn't fuck it up. So I'm putting her other eyelash on. I think it's dry enough. I didn't put the lash on the same way because I was doing it from the side. But y'all, don't judge my life. So now I'm going in with my ColourPop highlight. I can't remember this color, but this is actually a really pretty color. I'm gonna put this on my own self probably tomorrow or when I do my makeup next, because I was like, wait a minute, I forgot about how beautiful this was. I don't know what made me pull her out, but she's cute, and I'm gonna put her back on. Period. So I am dabbing this on her because I don't want to put too much. As you can see, and I took a little off because I was like, ooh, maybe then I'll add a little back. And then, yeah, and then you do that back. So I know she's up a little bit. I needed her to be up, so I'm gonna push her back. Just like that, like that, like that. And then we go straight into the mouth. This is my Joah Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Chocolate Chip. So I'm just gonna like do it how I basically do my own lips, honestly. That is my favorite lip combo, and since she's my complexion, for the most part, because she's using my products, she should look pretty good on me. You know what I mean? She should look fine. I just love how like the eyes is giving me very much smoldering. I just love that. I wish my eyes did that, you guys. All right, so I'm just gonna grab like a little that is my Mellow Cosmetics from Posh. Mellow Cosmetics, that's the color Posh lipstick. I'm just going to go in with a little brush so it just kind of like blends in a little bit more. And then we just go in with some gloss. This gloss is a new gloss from All Dolls Cosmetics. I'm using a lot of her products. Hey girl, hey Dolly. Alright, so then we went ahead and we did the rest of her body. And this is how she looks. I threw one of my wigs on her. This wig was out. So I just was like, alright, let's give her a little curly moment. She looks gorgeous. I'm actually proud of her. I'm shocked, but I'm proud. Again, I am not a makeup artist, y'all. So I was like, I just want to do my mannequin. Like, I bought a new one. My old one was mad vintage from the 70s. I needed a new bitch. You know what I'm saying? A newbie. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah. Bye.